Now if we were to work into the back of that chain, so if you were doing something row by row, I would turn it over, and the stitch has a running spine, straight stitch running all the way through. And I've done another one in a different yarn because I think you might be able to see it better. So here's the other one, and you can actually see those straight bumps like a spine either side, in the middle of either side of the stitch. So on the front, that's all you see, the V, so that's either side, but underneath there's a third part of the stitch, which is this spine. And what I'm going to do is work through these spine stitches to create my first row. Now you have to miss the first one because that is your turning chain, and you go into the next one. So the straight bit on this, the spine here, is that piece there. So this is just for a double crochet, a UK double crochet. I'm going into that spine stitch, yarn over, engaging the yarn and pulling it through. Then these two stitches come back to the thumb grip and you hold them with your index finger. You yarn over again. You bring your thumb and finger of your left hand up to hold the stitches. You engage the yarn and pull it through those two. Bring the stitch back to the thumb grip and hold it. That enables you to go on to the next stitch. So you pick up that spine stitch here, and as you can see on the back it just leaves the V. Turning it back over, yarn over and engage the yarn and pull it through. Bring it back to your thumb grip, yarn over, pull it through the two on your hook. Just do that a few more times. Oops. Pull through two into the spine, bring the yarn through, over and back. Bring the stitch back. You can hold it for the size while it's moving up and down the hook while you insert the hook into that spine stitch. Engage the yarn, bring it through. Then as you bring that one back, you're holding them both. Yarn over, bring it through the two. So there's the start of your UK double crochet row. Just do a few more for you. And that's how you go into the chain with a UK double crochet, because it leaves you this lovely V edge, which is the same as the V on the top. Just makes a neater edge. If you didn't go through the spine, let's just show you what happens, and you went just through that side of the stitch on the front and you do your double crochet, you can be left with holes, and sometimes you might not just pick up the first one, you pick up both. So, and then you would get these loops at the bottom. So to avoid that, you just go into the spine at the back, and that gives you your neat edge. Like so.